Hello friends, today we are study the outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices is a mechanism that discourage or prevent self-pollination to promote the cross-pollination and increases the genetic diversity. Plants have evolved a wide variety of sexual strategies. What's happening in case of outbreeding devices? In the outbreeding devices, plants have a mechanism that discourage or prevent the self-pollination and to promote the cross-pollination. This is the basic ideas about the outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices are developed in the plants to avoid the self-pollination. These are as follows. Number one, that is unisexuality. What is unisexuality? In the unisexuality, the plants bear either male or female flowers. Plant may be monoecious in example of maize or dioecious in case of the mulberry. Dioecious, that is mean by the plants which bears male flower in and female flower is on separate plant. Remember these things. That is called as a unisexuality. What is unisexuality? Plants bear either male or female flower. That is called as a unisexuality. That is occurs in case of the papaya flowers. Next, outbreeding devices is a dichogamy. Di, that means two. Gamous means period of maturation. In these devices, anther and stigma mature at different times in the bisexual flower so as to prevent the self-pollination. Remember this thing. What is dichogamy? In the dichogamy, the anthers and stigma mature at different times in bisexual flower. Flower is the same, no doubt, but the maturation period between the anthers and stigma is different. It's called as a dichogamy. Dichogamy further divided into two types. First is called as a protoandry and second one is called as a protogyny. Proto means first, andry means androecium. In case of protoandry, androecium mature earlier than the gynoecium. It takes place in the disc florate of sunflower. While in case of protogyny, proto means first, gyny means gynoecium. In this dichogamy, gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium. It takes place in the example gloriosa. These two examples are found in around surrounding. What is dichogamy? The dichogamy means anthers and stigma mature at different times in bisexual flower. There are two types, protoandry and protogyny. Protoandry means androecium mature earlier than the gynoecium. Example is sunflower. What is protogyny? In this type, gynoecium is mature earlier than the androecium. Example is the gloriosa. Now, moves toward the third type of devices, that is called as a prepotency. What is prepotency? The pollen grain of other flowers germinate rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grains from the same flower. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? आपले स्वतःचे पोलन ग्रेन त्या स्टिग्मावर जर्मिनेशन होत नाही किंवा ते जर्मिनेशनच होऊ देत नाही. मग कोणाचे होतात? द पोलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम अदर फ्लावर्स दॅट जर्मिनेट रॅपिडली. This is called as a prepotency. An example in case of apple. In apple, what's happening? The pollen grains of other flowers are germinate rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grains of the apple flowers. Now next outbreeding devices is a heterostyly. Heteros means different, styly means style. In the flower of primula or primrose, there are 2 or 3 forms of the flowers in which stigma and anther are placed at different levels. In the diagram, you can see the different level of formation of anther and stigma in same flower is found. In one flower, you can find the anthers are placed at higher level, while in that flower, the stigma is placed at baser level or base level. While in another flower, the stigma having the more length and anthers are placed at the bottom. So what's happened in this case? In this case, there is avoidation of self-pollination to prevent the pollens from reaching the stigma and pollinating it. In heteromorphic flower, pollen grains produced from anther pollinate the stigma produces at the same level. In this flower, what's happening? How the pollination takes place? How the cross pollination is preferred? The stigma, which is having the more length, can pollinated by the flowers which have the higher level produces in another flower, and vice versa. In briefly, what is heterostyly? Heterostyly is occur in the special flower, that is primula. What happen in this primula flower? The length of the style is different, in which stigmas and anthers are placed at the different levels. This is the basic things. In the flowers, what's happening? Stigma and anthers are placed at different level. It is called as a heterostyly. Heterostyly found in case of example primrose. Now moves toward the next. Outbreeding devices is called as a hercogamy. What is hercogamy? It is the mechanical devices to prevent self-pollination in bisexual flower. In plants, natural physical barrier is present between two sex organs and avoid the contact of pollen with stigma of same flower. In case of calotropes, hercogamy is found. In the calotropes flower, and you can see in the first flower also, this is the second one, which is the calotropes flower, and first slide we can found there is another flowers. In this flower you can see the stigma and anthers. In second one is also we can see the stigma and anthers. In the hercogamy, there is a physical barrier present between the two sex organs to avoid the contact between the stigma and anthers or pollen with stigma. In this case, Hercogamy, or in case of the Calotropes, in Calotropes, pentangular stigma is positioned or present above the level of anthers, also called as a pollinia. In this case, the physical barrier is important points or important, underline the word physical barrier present between two sex organs and avoid the contact of pollen with stigma of same flower. And last devices is called as a self incompatibility or self sterility. This is the genetic mechanism due to which the germination of pollen of stigma of the same flower is inhibited. That means if the pollen grains are fall on the surface of the stigma, even though these pollens never germinate by the same stigma of the flower, that is called as a self-sterility or self-incompatibility. It is occur in case of the tobacco or thea. In this way, we are study the different types of outbreeding devices. Let's recap in briefly. What's happening in this slide? You can find unisexuality. What is unisexuality? The male and female flowers are present on the different plants. That is called as a unisexuality. Occurs in the papaya. In the next slide, dichogamy. What is dichogamy? Period of maturation of anther and stigma is different. On the basis of this, it is divided into two types, protoandry and protogyny. Protoandry, in this case, the androecium mature earlier than the gynoecium. You can see in the disflorate of sunflower. Second is protogyny. The gynoecium mature earlier than the androecium. Example in gloriosa. Next is the prepotency. What is prepotency? The pollen grains of the other flower germinate rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grain from the same flower. Example is apple. In next, heterostyle. In the heterostyle, what's happening? Example is primula. In this case, the stigma and anthers are placed at two different levels. Is called as a heterostyle. Example is primrose. Next is hercogamy. In the hercogamy, there is a natural physical barrier in the bisexual flower to avoid the contact between the two sex organs, that is pollen with stigma of the same flower. It is present in the Calotropes. And the last one, that is the self-incompatibility. What is self-incompatibility? It is the genetic mechanism due to which the germination of the pollen on the stigma of same flower is inhibited. Example is tobacco and thea. This is the all outbreeding devices, also called as a contrivances. What is this? Lastly, they all we are study for to avoid the self-pollination and to encourage the cross-pollination. Remember these things? Okay, thank you.